More vaccines roll out. Variants of COVID-19 are being detected, and we've reported on the ones from the UK and South Africa. But how effective are the vaccines against these new strains? Channel 5's Tony Velasquez Jr. spoke with an expert at UTRGV.
Health experts across the board are warning that the COVID-19 variants could start causing serious complications soon. But the question is, why?
Viruses such as the SARS-CoV-2 virus, the virus that causes COVID-19, that's causing the pandemic, this virus is made of RNA. And this RNA genetic material is very subject to mutation. It mutates very, very quickly.
But everyone from Dr. Fauci to the FDA has said that both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines offer good protections against all of the new variants.
So the thinking behind take the vaccine now while we're still kind of fresh into this phase of all these mutants popping up is that if we get enough people vaccinated, then hopefully that will reduce the number of infections that are occurring.
Then what if you're carrying, say, the UK variant and you infect someone else?
These mutations are not happening as the virus is floating around in the air. This happens while it's inside of a person.
Which makes perfect sense. But just yesterday, the FDA gave COVID vaccine makers the green light to modify their shots as the variants emerge.
So if you can prevent the person from being infected with the virus in the first place, you're going to reduce the frequency of the virus to mutate.
And Moderna just shipped out 55 million doses of their updated South African variant vaccine to the U.S. to be tested, which left a lot of folks outside of the scientific community scratching their heads.
They won't be able to live long enough in you or in someone that's had the vaccine to be able to accumulate these mutations.
Bottom line is, doctors agree that your best bet is to get one of the current vaccines as soon as possible. But as Dr. Peter Marks with the FDA acknowledged just yesterday, we'll most likely need updated vaccines, just like with the flu, as new and potentially deadlier variants pop up. In McAllen, Tony Velasquez Jr., Channel 5 News.